this is the C Sharp tutorial Visual Studio 2019, and we are going to create a new project, that is the switch statement. Our project is ready to open. There is a new concept of switch statement. In switch statement, we will create a block of code in which we will write according to our choice that what should be a condition on the true basis. What is the concept of the switch statement? These are the many classes so that it can be easy to handle the application. What is the console.write line? That is the console.write line. Console application is a computer program designed to be used via text-only computer interface, such as a text terminals, the command line interface. So, some operating system can easily do it. That is the console read line. What is the concept of console read line? This method is used to read the text line of a character from the standard input stream. It comes under the console system or the class system namespaces. If the standard input device is the keyboard, the read line method blocks until the user processes the enter key. So you may have the data on your screen. In this program, that is the static string getDay, that is the method, and that is the variable type. That is the integer num, that is the day num is a parameter. So I have selected just like a 6. So what will happen here? The switch statement will move to the number 6 here, in the case 6. Why did we use this case with the break? This is the complete block of code from switch to break, from here to break. This is the thing. Okay, string is what? String is a variable, that is I have taken the day name. This string and the getDay will be connected this one string day name. So automatically it's a integer day number. So it will find that what is the day number. For example, this day num will be a number, this day num. Okay. So it will be a number of the days, for example 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. We will convert the number of the day of the week. String is a variable and it's the day name here. Case is an order call with switch statement. This case, it's an order call with the switch statement. So our program will be execute according to these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. If the required number is invalid, so in the last I have taken the default values if number is invalid. For example, if the compiler and the switch case statement is not find any number that is the requirement according to this program, so it will by default appear a message and present a message on the output screen that the invalid number, and that is the return day name, that is the method. So it means that the day name will be a written in your screen. So let's have the output of this program. For example, I wrote here 6. So what is the day name? For example, on the 0 there is a Sunday. I have taken day name, and on the case 1 is the Monday, case 2 Tuesday, case 3 Wednesday, case 4 Thursday. According to this methodology, you can also have the month's name of a year. Okay, so definitely on the case 6 there is the name of Saturday, that is the day name. So see that what happened after compiling this program or building this program by pressing the Control F5. Let's have the output of this program. The switch will find that which number is on the case 6, which name on the case 6. First it will find the number, and then the number is associated with this day, so that is the Saturday. Okay, so our required output is there. For example, I am going to change that get day method with the 0. So see that after the building of this program there is a Sunday. Okay, for example, I am going to change this 0 by a default value, that is the 9, and it is not in our program. So in this case what will happen, the switch statement will display a default message, that is the invalid day number. So see that what happened. There must be a message of invalid number. So students, see that there is a message of invalid number. So it means that switch, case, and the break statement or switch statement, whatever you would like to call this program, we have done our task. So in this tutorial you have understood that what is the switch statement and how does it work in a program. So in order to view more video lessons, you will have to keep watching my channel and like and subscribe it. Thank you.